Are you ready to supercharge your customer engagement and streamline your marketing efforts? In this tutorial, we'll dive into the world of ManyChat, where you will learn how to create interactive and automated conversations that can boost your business like never before. Whether you are a beginner or looking to refine your skills, let's transform the way you connect with your audience. Ready to get started? So let's go. So first of all I have to do is open your browser and dive into ManyChat.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So what is ManyChat? ManyChat is a researchable platform that allows businesses to create automated conversations on messaging apps like Facebook, Messenger, Instagram, and SMS. It helps streamline customer interactions, enabling businesses to engage with their audience, answer inquiries, send promotions, and nurture leads without needing constant manual input. With its user-friendly interface and powerful features, ManyChat empowers marketers to enhance customer experience and drive sales through conversational marketing. So here we have Instagram DMS, answer every single question, comment, and story reply 7 per 24 hours to attract more leads, increase sales, and drive higher conversion on each day. Then we have a WhatsApp, use WhatsApp automation with to help customers discover products, drive order information, and deliver customer support all on autopilot. Then we have a Facebook Messenger. ManyChat for Messenger automates conversations to full more sales, generate leads, automate fakes, and run marketing campaigns. You have other information here is shop marketing to drive more sales on autopilot. Then we have like supercharge your lead generation, increase conversion rates by up to 90%. Then we have your automatically respond to every message, claim back your time and slash costs, notice experience, no worries. Then we have also discover why over than 1 million brands trust ManyChat. Then we have here 3 steps to get started with ManyChat. The first step, which is join 1 million smart brands and sign up for a risk-free trial. Then we have the second step, which is use your template gallery to create a customized chat marketing campaign in as little as 15 minutes. Then we have the third step, which is leverage your social media channels to generate more conversion, sales, and revenue 7 per 24 hours. So this is it. So right now let's move on to the pricing. So we'll click over here and we'll find the pricing here. Choose a ManyChat plan that's right for you. Here we have free, get started with access to ManyChat basic features to engage up to 1000 contacts free of charge. Then to get started we have here no credit card or charge card required. Then we have internal access, Instagram direct messages, Facebook Messenger, and then we have WhatsApp here. Then we have a key features here, automate conversations, unlimited custom follows to engage up to 1000 contacts, acquire new customers, access basic growth tools to drive leads to automation, have segment your contacts, train customer tags. Then if you come back, you have just to click over get started and you will find this page. What channel would you like to start with? Don't worry, you can connect to other channels later. So we have here Instagram, supercharge your social media marketing with Instagram automation, Facebook Messenger, create Facebook Messenger automation to keep customers happy. Then you have here WhatsApp, choose the most popular mobile messaging app in the world and reach 2 billion users. You have Telegram, power up your business with Telegram automation also. So as you can see here you have the work you can connect other channels later. So once you get started you will find this page. Here we have the three steps to have followed to get started with ManyChat. First of all, set products in DMS, send your products line up in Instagram DMS. So here we have set product in DMS, business value. You've got products like a lot of products. They could be digital or affiliate products, free resources, or your new line of scented soap thin clay. Now you just gotta get them in front of your followers in as many places as possible. Then we have here how does it work. You can earn real money from Instagram as easy as comment and show off the products you have in a cool little product gallery. You will give your followers what they want and show them what else you've got to offer. Then you click over set up template and you'll find this page. As you can see here, we have here a trigger as an event. You have just to click on trigger and you connect channel, so it's very easy to do that. And then we have here this one, send us comment, reply here. I'm so excited to like to see what I've got on offer. It's a product and you add a button here and you'll find here when this button is pressed. Instagram, here step, we have an open website, perform actions, conditions, randomizer, smart delay, start another automation, select existing step. Then we have also other things like this one. As you can see, here we have tap to below to check them out. So here we have add one of them of the contact block. Then we have text, add simple text and buttons, image, boost engagement with features, delay, data collection, and more. Then we have here generate leads with stories. Use limited time offers on your stories to convert leads. We have your business value. Are some of your followers just lurkers? We've all got those fans who only pick at our stories and nothing more. This template allows you to engage them whether they are most active. Then we have how does it work. Promote your favorite lead generation offer like a webinar, course, worthless, or giveaway. Whatever in your story and spark a two-way conversation while collecting data on more leads. Finally, your stories can do more work for you in their short 24-hour life. Then you click over setup template and you'll find this page. As you can see, so it's the same, but we have here other things. You have just to sell live here, and you can also click over here and starting up step trigger here. We have here the contacts, and also we have logical actions, condition randomizer, smart delay, and comment. Then we have the last one, which is recognize questions in DM with AI. Identify what and respond to common user inquiries. We have how does it work. Describe the topic of user's question. The intention of the message will be automatically detected and compared to what you input. Do you have a right to answer for the question? You can add images, videos, and links. As you can see, then you click over setup templates and you do the same. And this is it. We have if message is about person, ask your websites. Then you have just person is looking for a coupon, attention, recognition, and you click over save. So we have other options like your live chat, broadcasting, settings, my profile, other things. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I'll be happy to help you guys.